The rechargeable sprayer in the Pesti Smart Pest Plan kit pressurizes a small reservoir and delivers a fine, adjustable spray for targeted pest treatments. The sprayer uses a built-in electric pump powered by an internal battery that you charge with the supplied USB-C cable, and you should charge it until all 4 indicator lights are solid to ensure a full cycle of use. To operate, fill the reservoir with the recommended solution up to the clearly marked fill line, screw the cap on tightly to create a sealed system, and select the spray setting by turning the nozzle to adjust droplet size and spray pattern for the target pest and surface. Hold the trigger or button steadily and move the nozzle in a sweeping motion about 6 to 8 inches from the surface for even coverage, and pause over harborage points like baseboards, door thresholds, and under sinks for increased effectiveness. After application, depressurize the unit by switching it off and slowly loosening the cap away from your face to vent, remaining pressure before opening, then empty any leftover solution according to label directions. Rinse the reservoir with clean water when switching products and run a short water spray through the system to clear the pump, especially if using residual or oil-based concentrates that can gum the mechanism. Dry the sprayer and battery contacts with a lint-free cloth before storage and place the unit in the included pouch to protect it from dust and impact. Common mistakes include running the sprayer on a low battery, which reduces pump pressure and gives an uneven spray pattern, so always check the indicator lights and charge until all 4 are lit before a treatment. Another issue is overfilling the reservoir, which can cause sputtering and leaking, so fill only to the marked line and tighten the cap firmly to maintain pressure. A frequent oversight is failing to flush the system after use, which allows residues to clog the pump. Prevent that by rinsing with clean water immediately after emptying and running water through the nozzle until clear. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to home maintenance and pest control. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other about using tools like rechargeable sprayers and other home improvement gear.